What's up guys, RevSlider from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to add icons to your WordPress Slider Revolution WordPress plugin into its latest version. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access the dashboard, go to the browser, enter with your domain into the address bar, plus WP admin. Enter with login credentials, user and email, or user email and password. After, you're gonna be able to see this page right here. Here is the dashboard. Review the left sidebar of menus and click on Slider Revolution, okay? Once on it, scroll down until you see the slider that you would like to apply the icons on the design. Hover your mouse over this slider and you're going to be able to see the pencil icon. You can click to load the slider. In the case you don't have sliders, just go to YouTube and search for Visualmodo, demo import slider, or Revolution Slider Visualmodo, and go to our playlist learning how to create your sliders. Now, here is the slider. We ahead have tutorials explaining how to add buttons, how to change fonts, how to apply this gradient background color, but how to enter an icon to the top before this heading text. Review the upper left corner of my screen. There is this purple logo of Slider Revolution, settings, slides, timeline, layers, and add. Go to add. Once right here, you can hover your mouse over image and go to Slider Revolution elements. So, image, slider, revolution, elements. Click into the plus button. Review the left sidebar of menus and go to font icons. There is SVG icons as well, in the case that you want, all up to you and to your needs. Now you can search for the icon that you are looking for. There is even a search field right here. I'm gonna use this star icon right here. Here is my icon. And I would like to apply it into the top of the slider. Maybe like this. Let me unlock the icon. Just like this. So just click on the icon and change from relative to absolute position. Scroll down and here is the option. You can increase the size in the case that you want, just like this, and align into the best position for you. I think right here is okay. And here is my icon. You can preview the change into the upper right corner of your screen to check how it's gonna look like. It's not fully aligned yet. Let me just apply some features right here. Yeah, now it's fully aligned. Well done. I'm gonna use this option right here to align to the center and use the keyboard to move to the top, just like this. And you can hit the diskette icon to save your change. Change saved. Now let's get the preview of the results on our slider. And here is the final result. Nice, right? If you click on the icon, you're gonna be able to move to style and change the color in the case that you want as well. Up to you, okay? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!